feeling inspired to pick up my vlog camera and film a YouTube video because it's just been so long. I feel like I'll post on YouTube and then I'll disappear for months and months, but I love editing and making these videos for you guys. It's so much fun, especially because I've been posting on social media for as long as I can remember, like on Instagram and TikTok. And I feel like YouTube is just like such a nice change. I also feel like the most fun I've ever had posting on social media is when my content was super authentic and personable. Like I was able to bring in a community that resonated with me, and that was super fun. And I definitely feel like that's easier to get across on YouTube and through long form content. So I thought I would take you guys along for a weekend in my life. I kind of already got my day started. It's like 10:30 right now. I went and walked like 5 miles because I've been trying to get my steps in, made coffee, had breakfast. Now I'm about to start prepping because we're gonna do a dinner party tonight. We're having a bunch of our friends over. I've really been wanting to get more into hosting, so I'm excited for this, especially now that it's summer. So I'm gonna spend the day like baking a cake, and then I'm gonna make dinner for everyone. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like roasted chicken and potatoes, something easy. Everybody that's coming is also gonna be bringing like their own sides, wine. It's just gonna be a super fun, wholesome night. I've been wanting to make this specific cake for so long. It's like a pistachio olive oil cake with a blackberry buttercream. Good morning. I got kind of a late start to my day today because people were over late last night. After cleaning and everything, I got to bed late, and something about me is I'm always going to be getting my 8 hours of sleep, 9 actually. And now I'm trying to think about what is on the agenda today. I definitely think I'll go to the beach. I basically live at the beach. Like I love the ocean. I love beach rotting. I honestly just love rotting in nature in general, and the beach is like the best option for me here, which I'm so grateful for because I'm from Utah, and like I would just go rot by a river, which is also just like just as amazing, but it's fun to switch up the scenery. I do not take living in California for granted. Also guys, this Eden Ultra Calming Rescue Mist is the best facial mist I have ever used. I like the Rhode one for following up with my makeup, but this one is like such a good skincare mist, especially if you struggle with redness or if you use like Trino and retinol. It's really good. You guys, I just got a ring on my doorbell and it's a package from Dairy Boy. I didn't even know this was coming, so let's do like a little unboxing real quick. Okay, wait, this is so cute. And it looks like we have some PJs here, which is very exciting. I love a pajama set. Oh, this is so cute. Has a little fish on the pocket, and then these are like the softest pants ever. I'm obsessed. We have one more thing. Wow. No, I love this. This is so darling. Wait, I kind of want to put on this shirt right now. Okay, I'm just printing out my Depop labels now. I got this like label printer, and guys, it's the best thing that's ever happened to me because I used to spend like a full hour shipping out Depop orders at the post office when really like this thing existed all along. Thankfully, I only have 4 orders to ship today because I did the other 50 over the last couple days, and then I got a couple more orders yesterday. This is my favorite little beach skirt. I feel like anytime I'm going to the beach, I just like will throw this over my swimsuits. It's from Mode Mischief, and then I think I'm gonna wear this little new tank because I do have to run to the post office and drop off those orders, so like I need to be looking somewhat presentable. So yeah, I'll probably wear this. And then my little beach bag from My Mom Made It. I have my journal packed. I love journaling at the beach. My sunscreen, sunglasses, headphones, everything that we need. I'll probably only go to the beach for a couple hours today because I do have other things I need to get done. We made it to the beach. I got great parking. Oh, also guys, I got a new car. This is her. She's a RAV4 hybrid. She's perfect. It's great for living in California because I'm like always driving everywhere and it gets insane gas mileage since it's a hybrid car, but I love her. I really get attached to my cars, I will say. So I kind of miss my old one. I haven't sold her yet. Maybe I'll take her for like one more little drive, but it's a new era. Beach was great. UV was 10, which we love. I just did like an hour and a half. It got pretty busy because it's summertime, it's a Saturday. So I decided to leave. I'm gonna go home and take a shower and then make some lunch. I got a really early start to my morning, so I didn't really vlog because I went to Pilates at like 7 a.m. There's a farm shop by the Pilates studio that I go to, and so I picked up a couple of things. I got this green juice. I think it's like ginger, spinach, kale. I don't know what else, but it's really, really good. And then I'm gonna show you guys, I picked up a few things. Focaccia. I love sourdough focaccia bread. It's like a rosemary garlic focaccia and it's so good. So I'm gonna have some of that for lunch. And then I got some plums. Honestly, I haven't had a plum in a really long time. I kind of forgot what they tasted like. And they had so many plums. So I got a couple to snack on. And then I got blackberries because I always like to keep some sort of berries in my fridge. I'm kind of just thinking I'm gonna do a slow day inside today. I want to do something creative and just kind of pour into myself because the more I do that, the more self-care, the happier of a person I am. My mental state is just better. I mean, it's like this for everyone. I'm even just like a better friend to the people in my life when I'm taking care of myself, I've noticed. So that's my main focus for today. I want to turn off my phone. I want to do something creative. I'm thinking I'm gonna get my clay out and make a couple of pinch mugs. I used to do ceramics all the time. I had a wheel and it was my favorite thing absolutely ever. Like I just always felt at peace when I was doing that. Unfortunately, at this space, I just don't really have somewhere to do it, which makes me pretty sad. I need to get a membership somewhere, or just like figure it out, because it's genuinely just when I'm doing it, I feel in a flow state. But I learned how to make these cute little pinch mugs. It's so much fun. I think I'm gonna make a couple today because I have a few others that I need to bring to the kiln soon to have fired, which is so fun. And then I want to do maybe some yoga. We'll see. But that's kind of what I was thinking for the day. Took turning today into a self-care day more seriously than I expected. I love taking care of myself, honestly, more than anything. I just made dinner and I'm gonna do this collagen face mask, and then Ethan just went to the gym, so I told him to come home with butter so that I can make cookies. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. One time, I did one of these on a plane and I scared the living hell out of the flight attendant.